It's literally fine because I already uploaded the other one. Why did someone block it? It's fine, guys. Guys, please check in my boy. Nah, I hate this guy. I hate this guy. But blocked again. I'm making other ones. Why is it blocked? Because there's a spoiler. Why do everyone hate my videos? I'm creating another one. Because I hate them. I'm giving it other ones. I don't. I wait. Shorts. Yeah. And then 2. Yes, I'm literally a kid. Please swear Bob. Why they keep blocking me? It's not cool. They keep bothering me. They keep banning mine. Last time Harmony's crying. I mean, I forgot her name. His friend is Thanos, but he don't like him anymore. His name is. I forgot really. So sure, I don't know if her name is Fluffs. Her name is Fluffs. Her real account. But there's a number. I can't know the number. Okay. This is what profile looks like. And if you wanna search my name at the Roblox, you can search this Kyle Magpantay, okay? I don't know if it is blocked too. Oh, yes! It didn't blocked! It's public. Yeah. Just like so many, look. Okay. Nah, bro. They keep blocking mine. Be careful, okay, everyone, because they might block you too. Bye.